Hey guys, and welcome to episode 11. Join Keith and I for part 2 along the nullarbor as we hit the 90 miles straight and take a quick detour down to Eyre Observatory.
What's going on over here, mate?
Bit of brekkie.
Yeah?
Utilising different parts.
What cooking here?
We've got some scrambled eggs and beans going on in the frying pan. Throw some cheese on there. Bit of wrap. We've got some eggs going on, so we've got a little bit of a snack later, so we have some hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to use the water for that for my coffee this morning. And then, so that'd be brekkie, bit of a snack, coffee.
So after Keith had cooked up a delicious breakfast, it was time to experience the beautiful nullarbor plain and head for the Eyre Observatory. After just a short drive, it was time to turn off the bitumen and drop down the tyre pressures. The nullarbor plain is a vast, almost treeless, semi-arid plain located in Australia's south, just north of the Great Australian Bight. It didn't take us too long until we had reached our first obstacle. This water crossing had been formed due to some torrential rain which had passed through the area. This rain had caused some severe floods throughout the southwest coast, which in turn had some devastating effects on the local communities. From here, we still had a couple hour drive ahead of us before we were to reach one of the most remote places we'd ventured to yet. We decided to turn in early in preparation for an early start out on the water. Sadly though, all we caught this day was the epic sunrise on camera. We would highly recommend spending a couple nights out here to get out and explore this beautiful place. If you're planning to make a trip out here, booking is a must, so get in contact with Eyre Observatory caretakers. Today the Eyre Observatory, surrounded by Nuts Land Nature Reserve, is home to over 240 species of birds. Many of them are rare and endangered, including the major Mitchell cockatoos and the unique mallee fowl, which incubates its eggs in mounds of leaf litter and sand. After some cruisy driving and taking in some breathtaking scenery, it didn't take us long until we were back up to the diffs in some soft sand.
Jem's got himself in a bit of a pickle. Took a low line around some seaweed. Pretty well bogged. Just not bogged, but was spinning, so it stopped just there. Wasn't sure, he sunk down quite a bit, so there's obviously some soft sand around here. You can see just how much water's in that track there. So we just grabbed the max tracks out and there he is. I'll just get out of the way. He's going to hit it nice and hard, low range. Hopefully he'll be able to pop up. It's still a bit soft just in front of him. Alright. Alright, so we'll have to go again. Jem getting to work there. See how wet it is inside. Just making sure as best you can that there's no suction going on between the tyre and the sand. Quite often what will happen is when you sink in there, you'll get the weight of the vehicle plus some because of the suction around the tyre, so just trying to dig away as much of that sand as possible before throwing in the track, and we'll give it another go. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't be hanging around.
Stay tuned for next week, as Jem has some serious issues with his CV and Keith takes off on his own to check out some old homesteads and a few whopping caves. Hope you enjoyed, guys and girls, and we'll see you next week.